Services, Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north central Illinois, Lee County in north central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linden to near Rock Falls to near Amboy, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Amboy, Polo, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Lost Nation, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Creston, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Lee, Compton, Stewart, and Nelson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central Illinois.